some heavy equipment. Cat RM 300. There's a Cat over there. And there's a John Deere grader. And there is a Soilmec SR30. All these are over here. I'm not going to go over there because I don't want to get in the middle of that. It's very muddy today. But there's a little Bobcat. And there's a Cat. John Deere. Soilmec. They're doing work here. I think they're building a museum, they said. So this would be cool, right at Redbird Mall. Or Redbird Airport, I'm sorry.